In this video, I'm going to show you what to expect when you or your child receives an appointment for a home video ambulatory EEG at Poole Hospital. So first of all, what is EEG? Well, EEG stands for Electroencephalogram, which means a recording of your brain activity, or brain waves. We are asked to do this for many reasons, but mainly to capture any typical symptoms that you or your child may be having. It is also very useful for us to record brainwaves during sleep. Home video ambulatory EEG means recording your brainwaves and a video of you at the same time whilst you are at home. This can be over a period of 24 hours or 48 hours, and this will be discussed with you at your first appointment with us. You will not be able to use the video outside of your home environment, therefore you should plan to stay at home for the duration of this test. So how do we get an EEG? Well, we get a recording by sticking many electrodes onto the scalp. Please make sure your hair is clean and dry because that helps us get a really good connection with the skin. We rub the skin gently, then use a glue to stick them on. We may use tape or bandages to help the wires stay on. And we also stick some wires onto your shoulders. Don't worry if a wire becomes loose, we can still get a really good recording. The first appointment you have with us at hospital is to attach the electrodes and show you how to set up the equipment. This can take up to 1 hour and 30 minutes. When we do the test for children, it's a really good idea to bring things with you to keep them entertained. Tablets, phones or favourite toys are a really good idea. The wires are then plugged into this recording box, which you will carry with you at all times, either in a backpack or in a bag, which we will provide. Please remember that the backpack or bag must be worn at all times, including when you or your child are sleeping. You will be given a button to press when you or your child experiences typical symptoms. This is really important, so please don't forget. And you will also be given a diary to fill in. This will be discussed with you fully at your appointment. You must not have a bath or a shower whilst wearing this equipment. So I will now show you how to set up the video camera when you get home. The camera will be given to you to take home in this briefcase. When you get home, you will need to take the camera out and plug it into a wall socket. Next, you need to open the camera window, then press the Start/Stop button. Make sure it says REC, R-E-C, in red at the top of the window. If you accidentally close the screen, reopen it and press the Start/Stop button again. At night time, you will need to press the Night Shot button. This makes sure we can see clearly in the dark. You do not need to zoom in or change any of the camera settings. Please make sure you are in view of the camera as much as possible. When you move to another room, take the camera with you and reposition it. Do not take the camera into the bathroom with you, and don't place the camera directly next to a TV. Remember that the camera also records audio, and make sure you let anyone in the room know that there is a recording going on so that they can stay out of the way. When you're ready to come to hospital for your second appointment the next day, please pack up the camera and power cable and bring the case with you. If we are stopping the recording, we'll remove the wires at this appointment with a solution that dissolves the glue. This usually takes about half an hour. You may be left with some flakes of glue in your hair, which will come out after 1 or 2 hair washes. If we're continuing the recording for another day, we will send you home with the equipment for a second night and remove the equipment on the following day. See you at your appointment.